If your YouTube TV app isn't downloading updates, it may be due to storage limits, network issues, or App Store glitches. Here's how to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Slow or unstable connections often prevent apps from updating properly. Step 2. Check your device. Storage, smart TVs, streaming sticks, and mobile devices all need enough free space to install updates. If your storage is full, delete unused apps or files to free up space. Step 3. Update YouTube TV through your App Store, depending on your device. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open the Google Play Store or Amazon App Store, search for YouTube TV, and select Update. On Apple TV or iPhone, open the App Store, search for YouTube TV, and tap Update. On Roku updates apps automatically. If nothing changes, restart your Roku to trigger the update process. Step 4. Restart your device. If updates still fail, restart your smart TV, streaming device, or phone. A simple reboot often clears temporary system glitches that block updates. Step 5. Clear the app cache. Clearing the cache can fix broken update processes. On Android TV or Fire Stick, open Settings, go to Apps, choose YouTube TV, and clear the cache. On Roku, use the hidden cache reset sequence. Home button 5 times, up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. Step 6. Update your device software. Make sure your device software is up to date. Outdated system software can block or delay app updates. Once these steps are complete, the YouTube TV app should download updates normally. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.